Hello everyone. My name is Zuzanna Dzieciątkowska and I work as an insights lead for Google Play and Android. In my role, I'm responsible for running research to understand drivers of success among top mobile apps and games. And this includes looking at the user experience itself, as well as understanding the internal processes and strategies teams create to achieve that success. Today, I want to share with you some of the best practices on app quality and advice from leading companies on how you can empower your organization to deliver excellent app experiences to your user. Well, you might ask yourself, but why is even app quality important? Or how can I convince my stakeholders to care about it? Well, this should come as no surprise, but great app experiences are great for business. They translate into new users, into higher conversion rates, into increased retention, and as a result, into successful monetization for your business. And what we see in our internal data is that nearly 3/4 of Android app users who leave a 5-star review on Google Play mention the quality of their experience with the app. The most frequently mentioned aspects are speed, usability, and design. Let's start with speed. Is the app loading quickly, not crashing, and working smoothly for the user? Your app should provide the performance, stability, and responsiveness expected by them. Second one is usability. This means easily accessible core features, having a clear onboarding and intuitive navigation across the app. And then visually appealing design. Here we mean high quality graphics, smooth running animation, and consistency of the design across different features and across different platforms. We know those are crucial for user satisfaction. And all these attributes, alongside privacy, feature and content depth, and localization for global businesses, are key aspects of app quality. So, how can you empower your organization to deliver app excellence? Well, we interviewed leading app development companies in various countries and in various categories to really understand what steps they take to achieve app quality. And what we learned is that a lot has to do with how they organize their teams internally and how they set clear priorities for them. So here are 5 ways in which you can empower your organization to deliver app excellence. Firstly, by making app quality a company-wide priority. Then, assigning respective metrics and KPIs. Another one is about organizing teams around features or journey stages. Then, thinking about the whole user lifecycle and bringing app quality to every user interaction. And eventually, taking into account the full range of devices used by your customers. Let me talk you through them in more detail. Let's start with strategy number 1, making app quality a cross-organizational priority. Remember those signals of app excellence I mentioned earlier? Speed, usability, and design? They don't sit within one area of specialization. They are not just an engineering, design, or product concern. When we talk to best-in-class organizations about how they achieve app quality, it is clear that taking a cross-functional approach is key. Engineering, design, product, marketing, and business teams are working towards one common goal. We see app excellence is achievable when all of your organization is invested in experience of using your app. The second strategy revolves around metrics. One of the blockers that gets in the way of app excellence is lack of alignment on metrics, and as a result, lack of accountability to action them. We all know that what gets measured gets managed. So it's crucial to assign metrics and targets specific to app quality. Some of the primary measures of app quality, such as crashes or load times, are often seen as the responsibility of one group in the company, such as the engineering team. But app quality isn't just speed. Your app quality metrics should give you insight into how well the app delivers on the whole of the user experience, including the usability and design aspect. You can identify the core outcome you want to improve on and ensure your organization is aligned around it. Ensure you're not looking in isolation. Benchmarking against peers to see where you might be experiencing gaps is a great strategy to close them. Let's look into strategy number 3. We saw that successful app companies organize their teams around features or stages in the user journey. Those companies are more likely to deliver consistent experiences across each operating system they support and deliver a better experience to all of their customers. We saw cross-functional groups working together and combining expertise from disciplines like engineering, marketing, UX, and product. They would be responsible for the success of a specific feature, like checkouts, or a particular user journey stage, like the onboarding experience, across all of the devices and platforms the app has a presence on. This setup reduces silos and delivers a clear focus on addressing specific goals or challenges. Developers from different operating systems work more closely on the same roadmap, which results in shorter development times. Let's look at strategy number 4. It might be tempting to just think about app quality at fixed points of time. For example, when you're launching a new feature or just in the onboarding phase. But users don't experience just parts of your app, one specific feature. They make up their mind based on the holistic experience of the app. App excellence should come across all user interactions. And leading companies are customer-centric when they develop new features or content. Don't know where to start? Your app rating is a reflection of how users respond to your app right now. And you can analyze your rating by country, by device type, by app version, and more to really better understand where to focus your attention. Then you can create your own checklist that defines a set of core quality criteria, associated tests, and roll it out across your teams. For inspiration, look to our core app quality checklist on developer.android.com. And final learning. Excellent apps are consistent across all of their screens and experiences. Successful companies use the same devices that their customers use. This is especially important for global businesses with a presence in emerging markets, where entry-level smartphones are more common. This means accounting for devices with screens, memory, and processors that may be less capable than devices in other markets. Remember about other form factors as well. Your users may be using your product not only on the smartphone, and they are expecting a consistent experience across all of their screens. Ensure your team has access to a range of devices, including wearables and large screens, in forms of tablets, foldables, and laptops. And don't stop just on QA or engineering teams. Ensure your product managers, designers, and even the leadership team have access to a wide range of devices. This will allow you to build more empathy towards the user and gives the opportunity to spot potential app quality challenges, identify common product frustrations, or areas for improvement. I hope you feel now inspired to achieve app excellence with your organization. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was a pleasure to share some of these learnings with you. I look forward to hearing your stories and how you are delivering quality app experiences to your customers.